Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I'm so excited, you guys. I have the January 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up! This kit is called Sending Hearts. I have been anxiously awaiting this kit and it finally arrived yesterday. I'm so excited. I saw a sneak peek of the cards that you can make with this kit online, and I just could not wait to get my hands on this kit. And if you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is an all-inclusive project kit that is created by Stampin' Up! It comes with everything that you need to either create the cards that are in the kit, or sometimes it's 3D projects. Whatever's in the kit, it comes with everything that you need in order to create the projects. And this month there is a cute little add-on available. So if you are not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you cannot purchase the add-on. So you do have to be a subscriber, but it's the Sending Hearts add-on, and you get 20 of these cute little polka dot treat boxes. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. I cannot wait to put one of these together and decorate it. And then you get these cute little snail die cuts, and there's several sheets in here. I'm not even pulling out all the sheets. And then you get, I think this is petal pink, maybe, but you get these little die cut labels that you can put your sentiment on. Anyways, just so cute. So I will link to the add-on, this little add-on, in the video description below, and I will also link to the subscription options. So you can do a monthly subscription where you're billed automatically every single month, and then your kit is delivered to you. Or you can do prepaid subscriptions if you're not like a monthly subscription type of person. You can do prepaid subscriptions where you just go ahead and prepay for 3 months, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And then you're good to go, and your kits will come for the term of your subscription. So yeah, so anyways, I'll put all of the options with clickable links down below in the video description. Let's get into this kit. Okay, so we have got, I see right away, a roll of ribbon, so some kind of black ribbon. The coordinating ink spot, so you get this little mini ink spot, is Poppy Parade. Here is the stamp set. Let me just show you. Ooh, you've got this heart image that is filled with hearts inside of it. XOXO, be mine. Hi, Valentine. Sending love your way. You, oh, the little snail. Little snails in here, and then love, and then this little heart and flower image here. So, ooh, so cute. So these stamp sets are exclusive to Paper Pumpkin. You can't purchase them on my website. They're exclusive to the kit. Yeah, so then this little flyer talks about the little love boxes add-on, and then gives you a little example of how you can decorate those cute little boxes. Love it. All right, let's see if I can get in here. Ugh. So here's the kit. Look how cute, you guys. I am so excited about these cards. So cute. And then here's everything in here, all of our supplies. Okay, so I've got a little spread here for you so you can see every single thing that comes in the kit. I love it. So you've got the exclusive Sending Hearts photopolymer stamp set that I showed you already. Then you've got the roll of the black ribbon, the Poppy Parade ink spot. You've got these resin hearts. You have got lots of printed die cuts and labels. Then you've got these little printed card layers that'll go on the front of your card bases. You've got 8 card bases here, 4 of each of the different designs. You've got adhesive in the form of dimensionals and glue dots. And then you've also got these lovely red envelopes. I actually really love these full color red envelopes. I'm excited about that. I mean, that'll be so fun to receive in your mailbox. So this is everything that comes in the kit. I'm so excited. And the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors for this kit are basic black, gold foil, petal pink, poppy parade, smoky slate, and white. Okay, I thought that was petal pink. All right, let's jump in, you guys. I'm gonna share with you how to create one of each of the cards featured in this kit. All right, so I've got all of the pieces here so we can get started with card number 1. I am going to use my full-size ink pad just because it's easier for me than using the Stamp and Spot, but these are great for traveling, you know, taking on the go with you, but I'm gonna set that to the side. And let's go ahead and stamp for this first card. I'm gonna bring in my piercing mat for this first big heart image. Got my Poppy Parade ink pad. Let's ink up this image. So pretty. Okay. I think that looks good. I'm just gonna get that right. Hopefully I don't get my hair in here, my head, because my hair is not combed. Okay, we'll just stamp that there. Give it a good press. I didn't even notice that this was gold foiling on here. I know it said gold was one of the coordinating colors, but I did not notice that. You can see the little specks of gold, and then the heart is foiled in gold. I didn't notice that till just now. And then for the sentiment, on the instructions, the sentiment that they used on this little white piece is you, so that it says love you. I actually want to do the XOXO instead, and that's the great thing about Paper Pumpkin. I love having cards that are, or cards or an idea that's all of the thinking has already been done, because, you know, I create cards all the time. So it's nice to have something where I don't have to come up with the idea. But the great thing about Paper Pumpkin is you don't have to do it exactly as the instructions show. You know, there's flexibility. You can switch things up, change it however you want to. So come up with alternate ideas, whatever. You don't have to do it as it's shown. So that's the cool thing. Okay, that's all the stamping. So we are ready to assemble this first card. So you can see petal pink and white diagonal stripes here. My bone folder is across the room, and I'm not gonna slide over and get it. So I'm just gonna use this ink pad to score my card or fold my card. Now, remember, you do get those tiny little glue dots in the kit that you can use. You guys, if you've seen my previous videos for our Paper Pumpkin kits, you know that I don't really use those just because they're so tiny. So I just use my seal, and I'm gonna put this beautiful little scalloped die cut that comes in the kit. I'm just gonna put that right down here. I think that should be good. And I am going to pop this up. I'm gonna use some dimensionals, oops, that I already have started here. I'm gonna pop this layer up with dimensionals. There we go. Okay. And actually, bad idea. I shouldn't have done that yet. I forgot my ribbon. Okay, so I forgot my ribbon. So I'm just gonna take my silicone mat to keep from sticking to my work surface. Grab some ribbon, and we are going to tie this ribbon around in a bow. Okay, so we'll go with that. So cute. There we go. And now I can put this, I'm gonna put it right about there. that looks cute. And then we will pop up our love die cut here. So I will put that. Put that there. Then my XO, it's going to take a little edge piece for the XO. All right, and then I'm just going to pop my little XO right here in the bottom of my love. And then we'll finish this up with a few of these little resin hearts. Doo-doo-doo. So we'll take one of these large ones, and we're actually going to put it right over one of our Poppy Parade hearts. Look at that, they fit right on top. So cute. And then I'll do one of these smaller ones. Will that fit there? Try one of these, maybe this one will fit. Oh yeah, that fits. Let's do a couple of those and then a tiny one. All right, so I've just got 3 of those little resin hearts on there. I think that's cute. So there you have card number 1. I'll just bring in the red envelope so you can see it with that red. So pretty. Okay, so for card number 2, we need to do our sentiment, and then we also need to stamp on this piece. Got my Poppy Parade back, and I'm gonna stamp the sentiment onto this little petal pink label, so sending love your way. Okay, and then we've got that little heart and flower image. Going to stamp that right in between this little collection of gold foil hearts and flowers. Okay, there we go, that looks cute. Okay, so now we can start putting this card together. So we've got this beautiful Poppy Parade printed card base. Let me just give that a nice crease. Okay, we've got another one of the black scalloped die cuts. So I'll just add that on again with a little bit of, whoops, my seal. Didn't do a good job doing that. Went over the edge. Okay, let's see, where do I want this? I'm just going to center it from top to bottom here. Okay, I think that looks good. Then I will take this layer and again add dimensionals. Okay, and we will just pop this up right about here. Yep, that looks good. It's so cute. I just love this card. Okay, now I'm going to take that black ribbon and just make a really simple little bow here. I'm actually just leaving it right on the spool there to make the bow. And then I'll take my sentiment and just add a couple of dimensionals here, and we will stick this little bow down. I'm just going to use a little bit of my seal adhesive and stick that bow down behind the sentiment. So I kind of want my sentiment to hang off the edge on the right just a little bit. Just like that. Trim that down. Ooh, it's so cute. And then let's add a few of these little resin embellishments. So I'll go with a small heart. No, not that one. I want a really small one. Right about there. Then I'll do one of these little stars. And then I'll do a bigger, I said star, yeah, little star flower. Like that. There we go. That's cute. All right, and there is the second card. Isn't that so cute? I love this kit. I love it. So with this kit, you get to make a total of 8 cards. So 4 of each of these designs. I absolutely love it. I think it's just perfect for Valentine's Day or, you know, other love occasions. But yes, I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching me assemble the cards from this kit. And don't forget, I'll have all of the subscription details down below in the video description with clickable links for you. They'll also be over on today's coordinating blog post, so you can check it out either place. Again, I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial for you. Bye now.